Welcome to the channel. Today we are exploring a useful feature in the Firefox Nightly browser on mobile. If you want to customize the location of your address bar for easier access, this video will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Customize to find visual and appearance-related settings. Here, you will see the option for address bar location. You can now choose whether you want the address bar to appear at the top or bottom of your browser. Once you make your choice, the browser will automatically adjust, placing the address bar in the selected position. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might benefit.